Hi everyone. Today I am at your service with another strategy, a strategy that everyone should follow. The strategy is very simple and practical and gives good profits. It is easy to learn. I promise that after watching the video, you will explore the chart and enjoy making profit. Let's go to the strategy. This strategy is specific to the 1 hour time frame and works well in this time frame. We also change the chart type from candle to Heikimashi to work more accurately. In this strategy we need an indicator. Yes, you heard right, just an indicator. Trend line with breaks. I will add it to the chart from the indicators section. This indicator automatically draws the trend line and determines the breakout and gives the entry point. In fact, he does everything himself. Before starting work, this indicator needs settings, which we can do from the settings section. And optimize the indicator. We change the number 14 to 24 and also change 1 to 16. This indicator also shows the fake breakouts that are fake and do not benefit us, and we do not open trades on them. To further optimize the strategy, we tick this box to show only confirmed breakouts, which are our entry points. After all these things, we go to the chart and our entry points are ready. We open positions on them. For example, a bearish breakout has occurred in this area and a short signal is issued, and we take a short position and wait until the position is closed with profit. Or an upward breakout occurs in this area and a long signal is issued and we take a long position. So easily. In the following, for your better learning, I will open trades according to the procedure of the videos, so that you have a better familiarity with this strategy and learn well. I hope you liked this strategy and fell in love with it. I like you. Until the next video, God bless.